was built for service, just for you and me. People waiting on this royal line, telephone to glory, always answers just in time. Fail to get the answer, Satan's grace you're wild. By some strong delusion or some base desire, take away obstructions. God is on the throne. On your head the answer through this royal telephone. If your life is grounded and connection true, ask him most be Jesus, tell you what to do. Prayer and faith promise, mend the broken wire, till your soul is burning with a Pentecostal fire. Lift up your God, praise the Lord. Disconnect the line, building homes that keep it, by the fire's hand divine. Telephone glory, oh what joy divine.